Let's make some chicken tikka in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. So I'm gonna take about half cup of yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander and mint, salt, paprika, coriander powder, cumin powder, kasuri methi, red chili flakes, turmeric powder, garam masala, black pepper, orange food color. This is optional. Mix everything. That's your marinade. I've taken 1 kg of chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna pour the marinade over. Coat the chicken very well. You can let it marinate for an hour or overnight in the fridge. Once the chicken is marinated, take your air fryer basket, place the chicken in it. It's gonna go in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. This is how the chicken looks. Now I'm gonna flip it. Go back in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. It's ready.